To restore a missing tooth, you have several options. The first one is with a partial denture. You take it in and out, and whether you have one tooth on it or multiple teeth on it, it doesn't really change it one way or another. So the kinds of partial denture are, you have to take it in and out. It can chip, it can break, it may affect your speech. So if you're missing 1 to 2 teeth, the next step could be a bridge. And what a dental bridge is it spans from one tooth to the next. The tooth behind the space, we would prepare for a crown. The tooth in front of the space, we would prepare for a crown. And it is cemented in permanently. The cons of the bridge are, if you have a virgin tooth in front of it or a virgin tooth in the back of the space, you don't want to prepare down good, healthy teeth for a crown. Another con is you have to clean underneath it. You will have to floss underneath it and make sure it stays clean, because it can still get decay afterwards. The best option to replace a missing tooth is a dental implant. The reason why is it's a single tooth. We leave the tooth on either side alone, and that way if you have a problem with the tooth on one side, it's only the problem with one tooth. The drawback of dental implant is it's a surgery, and it takes longer, but our patients who have a dental implant generally are happy with the decision they make.